to go to the liquor store to pick up a bottle of you. Found someone to have some fun, but it feels too good to be true. This is long overdue.
So I have arrived at my hotel in Porto and look at this view.
I'm not yours, but I like the background noise.
Beautiful, and so am I. I'm gonna go meet an old friend. I have friends all over the world. I feel like, you know, pitbull. So do you have anything to say?
She's really tipsy.
Oh yeah.
Let's see if she can cross the bridge.
Oh, I think I can cross it.
I'm down to take it slow. Just take another minute and let this flow. Won't you make it up to me somehow?
Another day, another sleigh. Going to get breakfast. Letting everyone know that I am indeed a vlogger with 36 followers. I wish 15. I'm going to the sacred, a sacred museum. Should be somewhere here.
Cause I'm waiting for you, and this ain't love, but it's something to do, and I'm not yours.
Shameless, absolutely shameless.
Won't you waste my precious time? Won't you make it up to me somehow? Giving in is what it's all about.
I'm trying to get to the tower. I'm very high up. I've been doing this for quite a while. I'm like, look how I'm dressed. I look like a teacher. Why am I going up the tower? Oh, crap. Literally, I'm in a church. I think we're here. Oh my god. I love this city. This is unbelievable. And this is me. On top. With a view. Woohoo. Like an influencer that I am.
So high. It's 3 in the morning, and your car is coming. Why won't you just stay tonight? It's 3 in the morning, and your car is coming. Why won't you just stay tonight? Oh, yeah. It's 3 in the morning, and your car is coming. Why won't you just stay tonight?
Oh, hey everyone. Just took a nap. So excuse this. We're gonna go out clubbing tonight, which is super exciting. Hopefully I will be vlogging. That'll be kind of fire. Let me prop you guys over here somewhere. I can't prop you anywhere. I feel like hotels should understand that there are some influencers out here that have to make a living. You know what I mean? I'm tired.
Hello, man.
Hi, there is one.
Hi. Aguardiente, strongest thing you're gonna try.
Don't listen to him.
He's an alcoholic, so
I'm not.
don't. The 16
As good as you
followers of Daria on YouTube
on its way
is
to
an
70.
alcoholic. Really, really strong.
Guys, don't worry. I know you're worrying. I'm fine. I have my water.
He's drinking water, guys.
Forget your mom will see this.
Obrigada.
Won't you make it? Why would you make it up to me?
I'm gonna catch the train to Lisbon now. I'm super excited. Views from Lisbon.